You asked how to buy shares of BioMarin Pharmaceutical Inc. BioMarin is a biotechnology company focused on rare disease therapies, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker BMRN. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker BMRN to find BioMarin stock. Select the matching listing to confirm you have located the correct company. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Verify the company name and the BMRN ticker to ensure this is the right stock. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may queue until trading resumes. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the order can complete. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for the eToro link to follow the same example.